Hi, this is Khalid Ahmed. Number is 978-988-424. Today we are going to discuss now we are going to discuss transformations like merge, join, or a transformation, and we are going to discuss lookup. Okay, so these two transformations now we'll discuss, and we'll go with fuzzy grouping, fuzzy lookups, and SCD in our subsequent sessions. But as of now, like we can cover merge, join, and lookup transformation. So let me go with the source. So in this, like I'm trying to take these two tables. This table I'm going to take, and also I'm going to take another table. So these two tables I'm going to take, and let me move on. So this is actually, it will show like list of 50 tables. Okay, this has list of top 50 companies in India, and this shows whichever company is giving dividend, that is Ramco Systems, so Tata Consultancy Services, as it has given 3 dividends like for that financial year. So this is an dividend which is given financial year end, and this is an intermediate dividend, second interim dividend, and third interim dividend, and this is BHEL. And so like a few examples, we have to so now we shall see how things works here. So this is top 50 companies of India which is normally listed. So what I'm planning to do is I'm going to illustrate merge join transformation. So merge join, so let me just connect the materials are so here nifty new 50. I'm guessing like video is also on, so no problem. Okay, so I'm going to connect this with another source. VDB source, nifty. Another one is dividend. This is dividend. So here like I'm trying to join based on join based on the symbol. Okay, so I'm going to open the merge join transformation. Here if I try to open first input, so it is asking like left table or this should be the right table, so I'm choosing this as my left table. And when I try to join it, like it'll throw like merge join inputs. It should be sorted, like it'll tell, like normally it'll tell. So normally before using merge joins, people go with sort based on the join criteria which we are going to mention. Symbol, I will tell you why we are sorting later, but as of now, like we need to sort it. Normally in almost all ETL transformations, no, we will sort before joining it. Sorted, not as a transformation like this. You might in either other tools, no, there itself, no, you will write a it should be sorted. You will have some specifications. Here, no, we have another transformations to sort it, but in other ET informatic or some other tools, no, we'll have like internally, this symbol, it should be sorted based on symbol. There'll be a check mark, so we'll just check it, so we'll just get sorted automatically. Join, so okay, so now it's done. So it is inner join now, so it is inner join. So I'm planning to take like this is my thing. I'm trying to take symbol from the left table, and I'm planning to take like what is the thing which is given as a different. So so this is this. I'm trying to connect an union all to see the output, right? So enable data viewer. Okay, so let me just connect here and show like what is the thing. So instead of writing a query, like I'm just trying to go with creating a view. Another one is so here, like I'm trying to take few of the values. I'm not interested in columns like other columns, so I'm only interested on that symbol, and I'm trying to take other values. I'm not going to take this one, so let me just image about what is the entity. I'm trying to run it. I'm getting this output. So now I could see that my query is ready here. So this gives 7 rows, right? So the intersection of these columns is 7. So the same values, we should get. So this inner join gives 7. then like I'm just trying to get left outer join. So this is my left table, right? Left table, so I'm going to get a left outer join. So if I go with the left outer join now, I'm getting that is here it is right outer joint, it's telling like, because I have shuffled it right manually. I have shuffled it, so now it takes right outer joint, but actually it's a left outer joint, right? In when we
on the right,
yeah. So I'm just trying to take this, and here now we have 53 records, right? So this is my result for the right outer join. So this is my right outer join, right? So here I have how many number of records?
9.
Yes, 9 records. That is all the columns from the right table and matching columns from the left table. That's it. So I'm trying to get this one with 9 rows, and finally like full outer join. So this is my full outer join, and totally I have 55 rows, right? So I'm trying to copy this query. $55 rows, right? Fine. So this is the output which is fetched using SQL. So now we shall check it in our SSIS. So fine. So now here in this merge join, this is an inner join, right? So inner join, and I'm trying to click on OK. So I'm trying to run it. So like that same out 7 records now should get displayed. Seven records, it's displaying 7 records. And like I'm trying to change it now to right to left outer join. So here is my nifty table, and right side is my dividend table. So I'm trying to put as left outer join, in the sense it'll just take this as my left table and that as my right table, because we have already specified when we had it here. So now I'm trying to run it. So now I should get I think 9 rows, right? Or 53 rows. Yes, it's 53 rows. And I'm going to stop this, and now like I'm trying to run it with the right outer join. For right outer join, I'm going to swap inputs. If it is swapped, even though if it is left outer join, it is actually right outer join. So the functionality in SSRS SSIS, no, we should there will be no right outer join, we should just swap inputs. So this is my right, so it's done, right? So this is 9 records, so let's say close it. So sorry, so I guess no. So this is 9 records has been done. So now I can go with full outer join. So it is full outer join, and I'm planning to click OK. இன்புட்ஸை ஸ்வாப் பண்ணி விட்டு வந்துடுறீங்களா? அது வந்து கொஞ்சம் இதாகிடுச்சு. மற்றபடி எதுவும் okay, like we can take few values on okay. Multiple tables cut பண்ணி வரும்போது, so here no we have 55 rows. So we have 55 rows. So this is the query and this is the process in SSIS. So when we go with multiple tables, you know, like this table will be in left and all other tables, no, we can have it in right, and we need to go with joins manually. We need to take the records out. So whichever there which is fetched in the query, accordingly, no, we'll have right, left, everything, no. But before that, no, we should sort at the right place, so that no records will be very fastly fetched. Anyway, like we'll just continue with the next transformation after a small break. Thank you. Okay, so this is Khalil Ahmad. Number is 978 888 424. Okay, so now we shall start with merge join. Merge join is this. So next I shall start with the data flow task. Lookup transformation. So now I'm going to take the same tables, but I'm going to take it reverse. Two tables. So I'm going to take first as my dividend table, and table has my nifty new table. So nifty new table now will be my master table. Going to just look up, and it's going to send things. So here no, I can just give this. Or let me just take an union all, and let me put matched output. So in this case, like dividend table is there. So in this dividend table, it's going to look up inside nifty new. So if you take this intersected records, like, so this is going to come as my matched output. So TCS, BHL, SBI, Maruti. Apart from that, so this Ramco, no, it is going to come out. So when I just click on lookup, so we can check how data comes. So it's failing the component. So it's lookup match output data viewer at lookup. So this is matched output, and this is no matched output, but okay. So this is the matched output. Matched output. Okay, so here we have 7 rows which has been matched and no matched, no, it diverts to this. So we have two rows. Actually, no, that output, no, because no, we that was running, that this one, no, we had another output, right? Because this one was running when I run, no, both was running. So this should be disabled, no, before we run this. So actually in this lookup, this is the table in which this table behaves as the lookup table. Out of this, see, this table behaves as the nifty new behaves as the lookup table. We need to check whether this table இந்த 10 பையனுங்க வந்து அந்த சார்ட்டட் லிஸ்ட்ல இருக்கானா இல்லையான்னு சொல்லி பார்க்குது. இருந்துச்சுன்னா எடுத்து ஒரு இதில் தூக்கி போடுது, இல்லாதவனா தூக்கி இன்னொரு இதில் போடுது. அதுதான் இந்த டேபிளுக்கும் அந்த ரெஃபரன்ஸ் டேபிளுக்கும் அதுக்கும் சம்மந்தமே கிடையாது. அங்கே இருக்கானா அவன் பாஸா அப்படின்னு மட்டும் ரெஃபர் பண்ணி பார்த்துட்டு ஒரு பக்கெட்டில் தூக்கி போடுது, இல்லை அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் இன்னொரு பக்கெட்டில் தூக்கி போடுது. அவ்வளோதான். இவன் தான் வந்து மெயின். ஸோ இதில் இருந்து தான் செக்ரிகேட் பண்ணும். But joins வந்து it is a different thing. Joins வந்து it is going to club between those two and it is going to take output. But lookups is something that at lookup table it's just a reference table. This will just go hit there and it will check whether if it is there, then it will put in one thing. If it is not there, it is going to just throw it in another bucket. That's it. So this is all about lookup transformation. So similarly, you know, like we'll have other transformations like that is fuzzy grouping, fuzzy lookups, and slowly changing dimensions. So we'll discuss these two transformations, you know, in our next session, and that is fuzzy grouping, fuzzy lookups, SCDs. No, we'll discuss in our next session and we will continue now. So today, you know, we have seen merge join lookups transformation, and you can take the video. And the installation முடிச்சிட்டு like Saturday morning between 7 to 8:30, right? 8:30, no, we shall see this time, next time, no. Hope there is no
Okay, video.
yes.